In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Monday.com. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain, save battery life, or just prefer the sleek look of a darker interface, switching to dark mode can be a game changer for your productivity and comfort. So let's dive right in and make the transition as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to your profile icon, which is conveniently located in the top right corner of your Monday.com interface. The profile icon is your gateway to a variety of personal settings and preferences that you can customize to make your workspace truly your own. So, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a menu with various options that you can adjust to better suit your needs. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, the next step is to look for and click on the option labeled Change Theme. This is where the magic begins. By choosing this setting, you're taken to a selection of themes that allow you to personalize the look and feel of your Monday.com dashboard according to your preferences. In the Change Theme section, you'll find options that include both a dark mode and a night mode. Each option offers its unique styling and contrast settings, and you may choose the one that appeals to you the most. Dark mode typically involves a darker color scheme that extends across the entire site, offering a uniform and visually appealing look that's particularly easy on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. Night mode might offer a slightly different color palette, but both provide a restful alternative to the traditional bright themes. At this point, all you need to do is select either dark mode or night mode based on your preference. The change should be instantaneous, giving you immediate feedback on what your interface will look like from now on. It's as simple as that. Switching to dark mode or night mode not only enhances the visual appeal of Monday.com, but also allows for more comfortable viewing. This can be especially helpful during extended sessions at your computer or mobile device. Plus, if you're working late into the night, the darker screen can help minimize disruption to your sleep cycle by reducing exposure to bright light. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your new, eye-friendly interface that keeps you in the zone without straining your sight. We hope this quick tutorial has been helpful and you're now well equipped to make the most of your experience with Monday.com. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workspace. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.